Welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop. Today's project, well, it's a quick tool modification really. I was watching Adam Savage's tested a couple of weeks ago and he was using his drill press. I had a really good idea for keeping your chuck key safe, because this just sits around here, and I think this is my second one I've had, and he had one of these. It's a key thing, and then he attached it to the top, and it was always hanging there. You put it down, use it, and put it back. And I thought, look at that. I thought, what a great idea. So I bought this one, about £3.50. It's got a screw on the back of it, so we'll unscrew that, drill a hole in this, because this is just where the pulley system is, so there's plenty of room. And yeah, the only real trouble I'm going to get is I need to, on there, is drill a hole through that. So I want to flatten both sides if I can get a drill through it. If I can't, the only option is to break out the welder and weld a nut to the end of it. But the first thing I'm going to do is try and grind this down, drill a hole through it, so that's ready to go. And then we'll take the top off, drill a hole through the side, stick this on. Sounds fairly simple. We'll see. Okay, so that's drilled through and tidied up a little bit. I just need to take this this holder off and keep hold of the screw. So there we go. Happy with that? Quick fix. Hey, quick fix on that. Took a bit of time to drill it out, but yeah, that'll do nicely and keeps it nice and safe. Perfect. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful.